popped my drone cherry tonight.
Bethenny Frankel is out chasing drones. Yep, you heard that right. The former Real Housewives of New York star has been buzzing all over social media, sharing her own wild encounters with strange objects in the sky. And honestly, who hasn't secretly wanted to say,
My drone
I spotted
cherry
a UFO?
tonight. I left the house in pajamas. I was feeling such FOMO, like I'm talking about this stuff that I don't understand. I haven't seen it. I need to see it for myself. Here's what it's like. So, first of all, you just will see the lights and then you'll see something that's stopped. Like
In at least 10 videos as of December 20th, Bethenny dives headfirst into the world of conspiracy theories, drone sightings, and well, sky mysteries. She even went on what she calls a drone hunt around Rye, New York, just to catch a glimpse. Picture this, Bethenny in her car, driving around like she's in an episode of X-Files, but with better outfits. In one of her posts, she gleefully announces, I popped my drone cherry tonight. That's one way to put it. She shares footage of some mysterious lights hovering in the distance and jokes. It's giving a little bit like Starship Enterprise. Classic Bethenny, always bringing the drama and the laughs. Now, let's be real. Who among us hasn't had that moment where we stared at the sky, wondering if we're seeing something extraordinary? Like that one time your mom insisted a weather balloon was definitely a UFO. Or when your best friend swore their drone was just for fun, but kept sneaking it into neighborhood barbecues. Bethenny, however, is taking it up a notch, turning her curiosity into a full-blown mission. Whether it's drones, UFOs, or just a really bright streetlight, she's making us all want to grab a flashlight and look up. And honestly, she's making skywatching the new late-night hobby.